My name's Jo. I work for a company called Over2Hills. For the last 45 years, we've produced recycled, well, we've sold recycled office furniture, traditionally called second-hand furniture. So we could say for quite a long time, we have been in the industry of recycling. About 10 years ago, as well as selling recycled office furniture, we sort of started recycling the office furniture as well. So traditionally, office furniture is changed and it goes out of fashion, or people want to change the design, and that would go in a skip traditionally. We found that we felt that this wasn't good enough really, that it had another life, that it could be reused. The furniture's, perfectly good furniture, it's just not suitable in that environment, or the decor's changed. So we started our company not only just selling recycled office furniture, but we also were going into big companies and taking away their furniture. There is a small market for that still, but what we do is, as a company, is we give away the furniture to charities, to non-profitable organisations, small preschool groups, things like that. So we get a variety of furniture. We donate that furniture, the furniture that can be reused. We donate that straight away to these sort of people. After that, the furniture that we cannot sort of give away, that can't be reused as it is, would then we repurpose some furniture. We put new tops on desks. If the desks are damaged, the tops, then we would reuse the legs and make new tables or desks out of those. After that, then we move on to chairs. Things like chairs, we can't. If they can't be reused, we can break those down into the component parts, or we can remanufacture them into new chairs, adding new foam, new fabric, and then selling those on. So that again, we've made a very a product that can be reused, and it's not going to landfill. Not only do we do that, we also then take further the processes by which we recycle the furniture. We've thought about it quite a lot, and we use a company called Egger, that all our wood waste goes into that, and then that is remanufactured into new chipboard and new pieces of furniture. Then if we've got things like metal, that obviously it goes back into metal skips, which is then made back into metal to be reused in industries wherever. Plastics, we do try and recycle that down into plastic, and then that's chipped off and made into new plastic. Quite often, things like casters and arms and things like that are traditionally difficult to get rid of. We can then we save those, and we put them on new chairs that have come in without casters, or chairs that have got damaged arms. So we really try to be quite clever about how we, about the life cycle of the furniture, rather than letting it go to landfill. We would always try and give it a new lease of life, sell it back on, give it away, whichever way we can. And we found that works really, really well for us as a company. We're now moving and working with big universities throughout the country. We start off working with Leeds, which is nice, but now we've moved on to work with universities throughout the country, big companies as well, that are all adopting that sort of green approach, if that makes sense. So I hope that gives you a little bit of an insight into our business, and I'm happy to answer any questions if anyone's got any, if we have time, if that's okay. Thank you.